We've made it through all 5 mutants in this Kitbashed Accursed Cultist series, and we're moving on to the big boys, the Torments. I bought this large cultist guy from Mierce Miniatures. Every one of their miniatures has like a proper name, which makes finding them after the fact difficult, but I did get it from Mierce Miniatures. Aside from being larger, he's also wielding a giant tumor, like a boulder, that he presumably bludgeons enemies with. I could just glue this guy to a 40mm base and call it a day, but of course I'm not going to do that. I also bought a head and torso from another one of Mierce's Miniatures. Not sure of the name. It's hard to retroactively search for something when everything's got a special name. But the idea is to give the fleshy mass in his hands, a set of chompers. I'll have to green stuff the gaps and blend the 2 pieces together, obviously. A good hobby tip is to put your super glue accelerator in an applicator bottle. So what I've noticed about the official models for the Torments is that instead of the cultists themselves transforming into a more monstrous form, it looks more like a separate being is growing out of them, so you get kind of a cultist baby Bjorn situation going on. So I thought it made sense to carry that design choice over to my own kitbash Torments. I was worried that if I glued arms onto the newly mouthed lumpy sphere, they would break off pretty easily in storage or transit. Plus, despite having very intricate detail, the big guy's back knee was looking crazy. He must be on the gas, brother. So I thought I would cover that up with the original cultist growing out of his back like a human Jansport. I pieced together some parts from the official Accursed box and used another head that came with the Ecclesiastic Steward from Ramshackle Games that I used in the previous Cultist vid. Check it out. I wasn't sure how I'd blend everything in with the green stuff, so I did not film it, but I played around with it for a while, quite a bit actually, before I liked how it looked. The silhouette does have a stray arm sticking out from it, but I don't know, maybe having a striking silhouette isn't always the most important thing. So part 6 of the Kitbashed Accursed Cultist is in the bag, and I will be back very soon to make another Torment in part 7. Thanks for watching.